Rachel, your ideas are great. They're hilarious. Some of them are just hilarious. I love this assignment. This might be my favorite assignment of all the assignments that I teach at RimCAD. I love it. I love this assignment, and you will too. You'll see it's so much fun. It's a great assignment because it allows you really to work on several different disciplines: your illustrative techniques, your ability to plan out a narrative, specifically in this case, a visual narrative, and execution therein. So this really allows you to flex a lot of your muscles that you've learned while studying graphic design in a fun way too. So let's go and take a look. Jay left you some really valuable comments here and some good resources, so definitely go through those. But I just want to add to this by saying these are all great ideas, really super creative. Any one of these will work. Right now, it's a matter of how you set up the narrative, okay? I want to draw your attention to these two examples right here. Note the narrative is set up beautifully, okay? This one, the narrative set up just beautifully. Introduce the characters, introduce the problem, show some possible solutions, the aha moment, implementation of the aha moment, execution of the aha moment, final results, and then the epilogue. He's getting all kissed on by his wife, right? So this is a wonderful narrative, and that's what we're shooting for. This is a wonderful narrative too. So what you want to do at this point is decide which one has the most potential and then set up your narrative. I'd say in between 8 and 12 frames is optimal. And just remember, you want the viewer to be able to look at this narrative, and the story has got to be crystal clear from, as I said, the introduction of the characters through to the problem, through to possible solutions, the final solution, execution of the final solution, and then the final result. Okay, and then this one is just such a fantastic example. So at this point, just go ahead and select the example that you think has the most potential. Think about how you're going to set it up, and think about how you're gonna set up that narrative and deliver the narrative story, as it were, right? Okay, so at this point, if you have any questions at all, get with me quickly, okay? Because we don't have a whole lot of time with this. We only have this next week. This is due next week, so I think due next week. Check that. Let me see. I'm sorry, it's due the week after. Anyways, check that. Don't mark me on that. I'm pretty sure it's due week 6, but we'll be starting the final project as well. So a lot of work to do. So let's get to work on working out this narrative. And let me know if you have any questions or if you need help. I'm really, really good at delivering narrative because I do it a lot in some of my instructional illustration work. So let me know if you need help. I'll give you some great examples on how to set up the narrative. Okay, great job. Any questions at all, please let me know. Outstanding. Thank you, Rachel.